Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Alright, so we in here, back to business, getting everything squared away. Y'all already know. So here, just to kind of make up for how rusty the radiator support was, I used the underbody coating just to help battle the rust and get that out of here. Like, definitely a good look for it. Alright, team. So pretty much what I did was use my epoxy. See, I kind of cut a bar and put that in there. So now when this new grill comes in, I got some way to connect this shit on the bottom, and it should be solid. The grill should be in a couple days. Got the clips ready for that. Painted the radiator support just to kind of help the rust. I used the undercoating as I showed y'all, just to make sure that was wavy, but yeah, just trying to reinforce these so these will be sturdy enough when I get this grill. We can lock it in real nice. I'll clean that up a little bit more. That's a little dirty. And yeah, coming along slowly but surely, team. You know what I mean? Like I said, the last real thing is probably to paint this joint, but let's see what's up though. Let's get it in there. Gotta start working on the headlights. Yeah. Hey team, y'all can see we on this next 6th gen, and yeah, you could tell this shit is done. Look at that. Got nothing for that EBrake compared to the new drinks that we picked up. Yeah. Look at that comparison. Whew. Shit's is done. So just taking videos so I can have an idea if I gotta go back and look and see how exactly everything goes on. That's normally the problem we all have when it comes to these brake shoes. So changing my e-brake, just taking videos so I can see exactly how everything is before I start spraying shit down and taking shit off, because I'm gonna probably start with these lock-in screws here. I'm pretty sure it's a push-in and a twist, and we can get that going. This, you know, just gotta make sure that the rear wheel hub is out the way accordingly, and should be able to reach those bolts. I would highly suggest against taking off a wheel hub. I know you feel you might want to get to your e-brake. Probably not the best idea now that you'll be putting a different type of tension on the bearing. So nah, wavy. Let's just get in here, let's spray it down, clean it off. What did I pick up? There's some new shit that I seen. I actually like this. This should actually get shit nice and clean, man. This right here, this is a different type of shit right here, team. Y'all know I bring the products to y'all. So, changing these rear emergency brake shoes, yo, let me tell you. Well, I can show you way better than I can tell you. Look at that shit, clean that shit off, and it dries quick. Team, look at that. Let's go. Let's get it. With that being out of the way, we are in here, Squadron. Let's go. Let's cut this shit down, because now, of course, you know, if I'm going 07, 08, I gotta move the connector over to this side. So I think I'm gonna get a nice thin long box going, but I see how they cut this out, so this has like mucho space. So I think I'm gonna make a nice cut. Like where these lines are, just go straight over and just cut that and make that nice portion in, so now I don't have to worry about like any strain or anything on the harness when I move it over. Let's go. Lit. You already know, Squadron. Old cluster up in here, giving it that new feel. Shit that I love. Don't mind the miles, bro. We about what, 130,000 over. You know what I mean? Ain't even tripping. This shit got 136,000, a little over. I'm not even tripping, bro. You know what I'm saying? 120K difference. Niggas know shit is regular. I'll see if I can actually find a cluster that may be a little bit closer to my mileage, but honestly, I'm not even worried about it, bro. Alright, let's stop it, team. Let's go. Girl just came in. You already know the vibe. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! I'm actually about to drop this whole bumper so I can see behind it. Make sure everything is good. If I gotta spray it down with that undercoating to make sure everything is sturdy, you're gonna be all right. Let's go. New grill. Show y'all kinda. Booyah, bitches. Y'all already know. Let's go. Let's go. Mr. Oliver was fully aware of the change. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Whoop-dee, bitch. With my red laser fits in. Whoop-dee. You already know. Love my pedal setup, man. Never go wrong with it. Never go wrong with it, yeah. Alright, so it's salvageable for right now, babe, till I get a new one. Lip definitely sustained some damage, bro. Like this part, that shit is missing, but my main focus was this section right here that got like cracked and split. So use my epoxy, a little bit of tape, just to use the tape to hold it. But let's see, okay, get in here. There we go. Just get in there. So that's what it's looking like, team. Trying to salvage as much as possible. Get back to some level of normalcy. Let's go. Hi, team. Old engine, just did a quick oil change on it. Just actually dropped it down. Now, since it cooled off, about to do my little contraption. Got it hooked up. Looking good, no leaks, not leaking. So now, let's go start the car up. Went to go put the heat on last night. Yo, shit was definitely blowing cold air. So I'm like, let's see what's up. Let's just get this running right, you know what I'm saying? About to put in an order for that engine cold air intake. Following that up will probably be the Mishimoto radiator with the red Mishimoto radiator hoses. And we can do that. But it's what it is right now, team. Let's go. So just wanted to show y'all, we probably got major air in the system. Look at that. Woo. Woo. Off the rip. Just started it up, letting it ride. Major air. So yeah. See if we just can't let this run 5-10 minutes. About to go rev it up. Turn the heat on full. Turn the fan all the way up. I know the vibe. Let's go do this. Let me show y'all the inside. Oh, can't front. Shit clean though. Shit clean though. Let's get it. Out, right? Yeah. Alright, so got everything up. Heat is on, fan is on high, got it on vent. Let's good. Perfect stream. No bubbles. Nothing like that as of right now. I'll give it another rev, but straight to it. Let's go.